had fun reading your pattern books last time. So today we're going to take this one step further and grow as readers. Um, we know that pattern books usually keep that pattern going and going, but once in a while it tricks us at the end and it kind of gives us a fun pattern change at the end to change it up a little bit. Like, remember the book about having a picnic and everything was good until the very end? It was raining and then they said that's bad, right? So we broke our pattern at the very end. So boys and girls, if you're not really paying attention to the words, you might not see that that pattern is changing. So today I wanted to talk to you about how we still use the cover. We still can flip and look at the first few pages to see what the pattern could be and see if we could predict the pattern. But then I want to show you how, as we read, we move our finger along the words. Even though we know the pattern, we match up the words just to be sure it keeps the pattern. And I keep that pattern in my head so I can remember if the pattern is changing as I'm touching the words with my finger. And I'm going to show you how we can do that with one of my daughter's favorite books when they were little. They're older now, so I still have these books around my house because I thought we loved them so much. This one is called Trouble with Bubbles. That's one of their favorite books. Troubles with Bubbles. So boys and girls, we're going to look at the front. I see lots of animals and they're taking a bath, right? And so we're going to look at this page. This page is kind of a cool page. It has some different words on it, right? Sandbox, slide, mud, rings. Look at that silly snake. Swings, dust. Oh, look at, here's the monkey. And he's going to the lady with the soap and towels. And he's saying, I'm dirty. I want to be clean. She's giving him towels. And she says, go to the tub and scrub with soap and water. Boys and girls, did you see how I followed along with my finger? Now I wonder what the next page is going to be. Here's another animal. And they're coming up to the lady again. What do you think they're going to say? Do you think it's a pattern? We are dirty. We want to be clean. What's she going to tell him? Go to the tub and scrub with soap and water. Well, boys and girls, we want to follow that pattern with our finger and see if it stays the same. Ooh, look at that big giraffe. We are dirty. We want to be clean. Look at a giraffe in a tub. Go to the tub and scrub with soap and water. I wonder if there's any more dirty animals. Oh my goodness, look at that big one. Elephant, rhinoceros, bear. We are dirty. We want to be clean. I don't know if they're going to fit a tub. Go to the tub and scrub with soap and water. Oh, I think the pattern's changing, boys and girls. Let's look. You have used too much soap. Please give us more water. They are covered with bubbles, aren't they? Thank you. Now we are clean. So boys and girls, I had to pay attention with my following my finger on those words with a pattern to see if I was done. The end. So boys and girls, we're going to keep following what we did in the first lesson. We're going to look at the title, look at the cover, look at the first page or two, kind of predict what the pattern's going to be, and then start reading our pattern book. But this time, you really have to use your finger and go, I am dirty. I want to be clean. Follow those words with your finger so when the pattern, if the pattern changes, you'll know it and you'll be a careful reader. All right, have fun today. I hope you liked this book. It was one of my favorites.